dancing in the sunlight, colors in the air, queens of the night, with stories to share.
Swaying to the rhythm, draped in vibrant hue, each stitch a tale, stitched in love so true.
Oh, they shine like stars, so beautiful and bright, in their clothes of elegance, pure delight. Shades of Africa, fashion's delight, beautiful women glowing in the night. With every step they take, hearts come alive. A celebration of culture, where dreams thrive.
Patterns of the earth in every thread and toe, women of the world wearing dreams of gold.
From the coast to the valleys, their styles transcend, in the shades of Africa, where beauty won't end.
Watch them twirl and spin under the sky's embrace. Every glance a portrait of timeless grace.
Shades of Africa, fashion's delight, beautiful women glowing in the night. With every step they take, our hearts come alive. A celebration of culture,